Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rat Northgard. To begin, focus on understanding the Rat clan's unique famine mechanic. Your villagers will transform into scavengers during famine, producing food and lore. Build a scavenger camp as your first structure to kickstart this process. Efficiently manage your population to ensure you always have enough villagers to convert, but not so many that you starve. Early expansion is key to securing valuable resource tiles. As you move into the mid-game, maintaining a robust food surplus is crucial for the Rat clan. Your scavenger population will grow, demanding more sustenance. Invest heavily in the scavenging lore path to amplify your resource production from famine. Construct and upgrade multiple scavenger camps to maximize your food and lore income. Don't forget to gather stone and iron for vital building upgrades, enhancing your overall efficiency. In the late game, it's time to transition towards your chosen victory condition. Build a formidable military, leveraging the Plague lore path for powerful combat bonuses. Your unique Plague ability can significantly weaken enemy units and structures, giving you a crucial advantage in battles. Whether aiming for domination or a lore victory, ensure your economy can support your military efforts. Remember to fortify your borders against potential attacks. For advanced play, always monitor your clan's happiness and adjust your production to keep your villagers content. Neglecting defense can be disastrous, as enemy raids can quickly devastate your carefully built economy. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different lore paths and strategies to discover what works best for your unique playstyle and conquer Northgard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.